Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on auto save my story snaps in the Snapchat app. First let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu, then we go into settings, then we scroll down, and under privacy control we have memories. We tap on this, and here under save destinations we have auto save my story snaps. We can tap on this, and then we can tap on auto save to memories. Which means that our stories, which we post on Snapchat, will be automatically saved to the memories folder inside the app. We can turn this off by tapping on don't autosave. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.